The news is tightening around boxer Vijender Singh. Sources have told headlines today the cops have put together conclusive proof, conclusive evidence against the boxer. Sources also pointing out that Vijender's links with the NRI drug dealer are deeper than believed earlier. Call records also show the boxer and the kingpin in question in constant touch. We're talking about the Canadian drug dealer Anup Singh Kalon here. Vijender is understood to be more than a casual drug consumer. The police pointing out to have gathered conclusive evidence showing that Vijender Singh has been in regular and sustained touch with Anup Singh Kalon, alias Ruby. Let's get Manaman Singh Chinna for the latest on the story as well. Man, just fill us in. The police working on a watertight case here. It is understood that the call details of Vijender as well will go a long way in establishing a strong case.
Well, Aditya, what the Punjab police is trying to do is to establish a conclusive link between the drug dealer and Vijender in order to prove to the court that the blood and hair samples of Vijender really needed in order to complete the link between these two and then to further investigate. Now, what our sources tell us is that the police is definitely leading up to a point where a custodial interrogation of Vijender might be needed. So the Punjab police is definitely not letting Vijender off the hook at this point of time and is completing all the links in the chain in order to prove that there was something major afoot here.
Well, so, but what are we looking at this stage on? I mean, are we talking about then, a possible arrest? We know that he's been, not cooperating as far as, letting these hair and blood samples be given to the Punjab police. He's been claiming that because he's from Haryana, there's a bias against him. He's open to any probe by international agencies. What happens from this point on in this case?
Well, Aditya, the Punjab police is definitely not letting off any angle in this probe. They are definitely not saying that Vijender will not be arrested.
Okay.
In fact, the first step towards that direction, they say, would be making him give his blood and hair samples and then taking the investigation forward.
All right, man. Thanks so much for joining us with your inputs on this story.